What's up today? So in my video, I'm gonna be going over, we're replacing quarter panel. This little 90s model Toyota. I'm gonna replace this headlight, taking that out, turn signal, quarter panel. So the easiest way to figure out, how to go about doing this is look at the new piece. And if you'll look right there, and right there are bolt holes. So find the bolt holes on the car. Take a 10 millimeter socket and start here, go along here, follow the quarter panel for all the bolts. And when you're detaching and loosening all of the bolts, make sure you get this one right here in between the door. It's the last one I was working on. And also, right here at the bottom, you can see where I just took out the last one. Alright, and it should just come right off. And that's what it looks like off. Alright, and on this particular model, the turn signal that I'm going to be replacing, it was held on by duct tape. So I just took the duct tape off and it came right off. And as you can tell, the brackets for the bolts are missing. And I'm going to examine the headlight as I rotate it. I can see where the bolts are located to remove and replace. One here, one over here, which I've already loosened those. But these guys underneath, I'm going to have to find by going up under here with my tools. Now this particular headlight had, this car actually had some front end damage. So right over here, the frame is kind of pushed inwards, which is making it difficult to get this little guy right here to slide out. So what I did basically was I took my flathead and I just kind of pushed inwards right here and forced outwards. And since this headlight's already fucked, we're not worrying about protecting it. Okay, and starting by, sliding the new headlight in to its spot. Locate the holes. And put the 13 millimeters back in the holes for the headlight. Line it up. And then take the new quarter panel, place it on the vehicle, angle up the bolt holes with cutaways in the quarter panel. Put the bolts in and slowly hand tighten them. Go all the way around. Make sure you go. Let's see. Make sure you go right there. You see right there. Get that guy. Make sure you come all the way down and get that guy. Tighten them all. Alright. And then once you are sure you've gone around and touched up all the bolts, which I haven't, but I'm just telling you to make sure you go around and touch them all up, which is my next step. Alright. Now take the turn signal. You're going to slide it in. It's going to line up with the headlight right here. Take your bolt and tighten it up. Alright, lastly is we're going to put the bumper back into place. We're going to put the bumper, and then remember this screw right here. You can see it. I'll try and put my hand on it. It's right here, see? That one, right there.